Just deadly. You can be let up at any time.
I'm singing back here.
Oh, open the door. Go on, fuck. Open it. Oh, fucking hero.
Da 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 da.
Stick to stay.
You were echoing yourself there, was deadly.
There's something that 109 or more could ever do.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, the real guy. Oh, too early.
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
For all you radio lovers, Toto will be back later, but now it's time for a request.
They hold the line by Toto.
What?
Hey Siri.
Hold.
Here, Kevin from
off.
Edinburgh. What do you want to hear?
Came off the line by Toto.
No more Toto.
Came off the line by Toto, you say?
Hold the
I
line.
can't do that, but we can have Freebird by Leonard Skinner. There we go.
Alright, yeah, sure. Settle on Freebird then. Not a car. No, it's just a wheel.
The zombie. Oh, Blair!
Blair! Oh, Blair!
Keep going.
Oh, no! Shit, no! I can't lane!
Keep going.
Don't forget the gear shift.
That was good.
Yeah, we gotta go back and get him. Stop up here.
We'll fucking get it.
Alright, can I get my SK back?
Yeah, dropped it here.
Cheers.
Where's the spark plug? Where the fuck?
Gotta flank hard, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's one of yous up ahead. Back.
That was me.
Yeah.
I see him. He's on the road.
Going up. Where?
Going up towards the car. I think he moved a little bit to the right though. Of the road, not to our right.
yeah, the other side of the road.
It was sort of walking up the road right to left. He's wearing an orange jacket.
Orange jacket.
Is that only he's wearing red? Oh, I see him. Oh, I'm hit.
Where?
Up in the forest. Yeah, behind me. Behind me. The one is looking at me behind me.
Are you dead?
Oh no, I'm on fuck all health out.
He's up here beside this cave, yeah?
Yeah, he's right there.
Got him.
There's two of them now. Yeah, there's the other one. Yeah, I got the other one.
Yeah, I got the orange dude.
Yeah.
I got them
I'm
both.
hit.
I'm pretty sure I can. Oh, zombie.
Admittedly,
Oh,
Shooting zombies.
the
I
second
didn't bring
guy,
a gun cleaning kit.
I did.
the second guy, he might have already been on the way down.
I got footage to prove that I fucking riddled them both. I was up behind them, like AKing them in the back.
Oh, is that one of these?
Ah, this is zombie.
Oh, yeah.
This guy, I'm pretty sure I fucking shot this country down.